Percentage and fraction. Practice set question number 3. Let's solve this. So question says Mayank, Mirza, Little is the name of the person, okay, and Jaspal bought a motorbike for $60. Yeah, that's in dollars. Quite cheap, no? Okay. Mayank paid one half the sum of the amount paid by others excluding Mayank. Okay. Similarly, Mirza paid what? 1/3 sum of the amount paid by others. Similarly, Little paid 1/4 of the amount paid by others, sum of the amount paid. Little paid 1/4 of the amount paid, sum of the amount paid by other boys. Yeah. So everyone is comparing with how much other has paid except them. How much did Jaspal paid? What is the difficulty level will you give for this question? Will it be difficulty 2? See, difficulty 2, I will say either the calculation is little tricky or the logic in the question is little tricky. But here the logic is also simple. So I will give this question level of difficulty 1 only. Okay. So how do we solve this? Make the equation simple. For Mayank, think about it. For Mayank, let's say Mayank is M1. Because we got 2 people. And I don't want to use X, Y, Z. So let's say Mayank is M1. Is paying what? Half of what others are paying. Let's say for Mirza, I use M. And this is M1 here. Mirza is M, simple. Okay, you want to use M2, you can use that. Little, the first alphabet, and Jaspal first alphabet. This is the condition. That means if you multiply 2 here, what you get? Twice of what Mayank paid is equal to Mirza plus Little plus Jaspal. Yeah. Now tell me one thing. Question said the total they paid $60. That means the sum of money paid by Mayank, Mirza, Little and Jaspal must be equal to what? Must be equal to what? $60, right? It means Mayank, Little and Jaspal, this should be 60 minus M1. Do you agree with me? 60 minus M1. Yeah, this is 60 minus M1. Now, if I take M1 here, so 2M1 plus M1 equal to 60, right? That will get you what? Thrice of M1 equal to 60. That will get you what? M1 equal to 20. So Mayank paid only $20. Yeah, this is your first conclusion by first condition given. That's not the answer. Okay, yes, we have more equation to solve. Let's give it difficulty level 2. Yeah, let's not be unfair to people who are beginners, who are starting, who may not have maths in their 11th, 12th or college time. So yeah, so let's give it difficulty number 2. Calculation is not difficult. You can understand the logic, which I am going to show you in a shorter way. I am not going to write all these steps for the next condition. Now think about it. If it is 60 minus M1, M1 will go that side, you become twice of M1. Now for next person who is Mirza, I am going to write directly this step. So look at this. How will it work? Mirza paid 1/3 of the sum of money paid by others. Now if it is 1/3, think about it. If it is 1/3 for Mirza, 1/3 for Mirza, and then rest of them, this 3 is going to multiply there. That means you will get 3 of Mirza equal to rest of them. Now rest of them except Mirza. Now think about this equation. If I remove Mirza, what do I have? M1 plus Little plus Jaspal, Mayank plus Little plus Jaspal equal to 60 minus Mirza, right? 60 minus Mirza. Did you understand that? Yeah. So can I say this part is nothing but what? 60 minus Mirza. Okay. If you understood this, I am giving the reference of the previous one. If you want to make an entire equation, you can, but it will simply extend the solution. Yeah. You are going to answer. This is Yeah, by the way, I can say this is a difficulty level of exam. Yeah, the difficulty level 2. Higher difficulty would be level of difficulty 3. So you will get 1, 2, 3 all in a good mix, so that everyone will have their space to attempt questions. Yeah, let's see this. So if you simplify, take Mirza this side. So you got 4 of m equal to 60. So m will be equal to what? 60 by 4, which is 15. That's the amount by Mirza. Write in the comment box whether you understood this directly or not, instead of writing all these entire steps. Okay, please write. Pause this video and write it now, so I will understand this. Okay, next is for little. Now little paid 1/4 of the sum paid by others. Little paid what? Little paid what? 1/4 of the sum paid by others. Yeah, so that should be definitely 4L. And others means excluding little. That means this should be nothing but all together minus little. All together they paid 60. So all together minus 60 should be people excluding little. Did you understand this? Yeah. Now if you simplify, L is this side, it will become 5L equal to 60. L will be equal to how much? 12. So how much little paid? Little paid 12. Did we get the answer? No. Question is about how much Jaspal paid. So Jaspal paid what? Jaspal paid 60 minus paid by all 3 of them. And how much all 3 of them have paid? Mayank paid 20. Mayank paid $20. Mirza paid $15. And little paid $12. Can you simplify this? 60 minus this is how much? 43. No, 47. Sorry, my bad. 47. So Jaspal must have paid what? $13. Yeah. Yes, this is the answer. Okay. So if you identify this thing from the Mayank itself, you can make this solution even shorter. Fine. Let's solve the next question.